Hello friends, in this video we'll see like what are the must-have skills for a mechanical engineering. So in this today's era, like in 2026, what are the must-have skills that every mechanical engineer should have? Firstly, every mechanical engineer should have a better understanding about of units and measurements. They have to understand how the measurements work, how much the centimeters and how much the millimeters actually means. So, and they also understand the understanding of engineering drawing. This is the foremost thing that every engineer, irrespective of the domain they are working in, maybe they are in designing field, maybe in the analysis field, or maybe they are in a manufacturing field, they must have an understanding about of engineering drawing that and also the machine designs. So they have to understand how the uh, manufacturing level designs looks like. They have to understand about of lines, what are the differences of the parameters and etc. So they also understand about of GD and tolerances. These are the very basic thing that every mechanical engineer should know. And they also know about of instrumentation. So there are different types of instruments that every mechanical engineer should able to handle and um, with use that may be, for example, vernier calipers or a screw gauge. They can easily can understand how these instruments work, and they can use these instruments. And the materials and properties, every mechanical engineer should understand the metallurgy subject very clearly. They would able to understand what materials and properties are. And they also, in these time, they must focus more on robotic systems, understand basic electronics, how the mechanism, control systems and the movements work basically. They also work on Python and Matplotlib. These are the visualization tools, but they, irrespective of the domain, they must know about Python. They also know about the basics of computer science, maybe data structures and algorithms, and they also understand about of databases like MySQL, Postgres. So they also know about of databases they are working on. And in the era of 2026, they must understand the generative AI in mechanical applications. Understanding right prompting technique is very important for irrespective of the domain and engineering. So these are the things that every mechanical engineer should know. So if you like this information, don't forget to subscribe and share with your mechanical engineering friends. Thank you.